If you've ever needed to mark up or emphasize key information in a PDF, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat Pro using two simple methods, whether you want to study smarter, review important documents, or just make your notes stand out. Let's jump in and get you highlighting like a pro. First up, let's look at the traditional way using the highlight tool. Go ahead and open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. You'll notice a toolbar running across the top of your screen. Think of this as your toolbox for editing and marking up your file. If you don't spot the highlighter right away, just click the comment option in the left side panel, and it'll pop up with the available annotation tools. Look for an icon shaped like a marker. It's your digital highlighter. When you click it, you'll probably see a tiny circle showing the current highlight color. Maybe it's yellow by default, but don't feel stuck with it. Click that color swatch and you'll be able to choose any color you like. If you're working on a group project or reviewing contracts, sometimes a bold color like green or pink can help specific notes jump out, or you can adjust the opacity for a more subtle look. This step matters because color can be a powerful way to organize your thoughts or convey urgency. Now, with the highlighter tool active, simply move your cursor over the text you want to highlight. Click and drag just like you would if you were using a real highlighter pen in a textbook. Except here, no ink smudges to worry about. Take your time aiming for just the words you want. When you release the mouse button, boom, your highlight appears, crisp and clear. If you don't like how it turned out, maybe you highlighted too much or too little. Just hit undo, or use the erase function to try again. Remember, highlighting is all about focusing attention, so don't feel rushed. Make those highlights meaningful. Let's talk about a second method that's even quicker if you're focusing on just a few sections. This time, you'll use the standard selection tool, the regular arrow pointer you'd use to click around. Open your PDF and find the words you want to emphasize. Click and drag over that text, and notice what happens. A handy little toolbar floats right above your selection. It's almost like Acrobat Pro knows exactly what you want to do next. Now, click the highlighter icon in this mini toolbar, usually shaped like that same marker. Immediately, the selected text is highlighted using your default or last used color. This method is perfect if you're reviewing a document line by line and need to quickly mark up important sections during meetings or group editing sessions. If you'd like to personalize things further, just click on the highlighted area again. A pop-up will appear, giving you options to change the color to something that fits your system or mood. Maybe you're color coding by topic or urgency. That's something I do all the time for research papers or editing drafts. It might take a few extra seconds, but it really pays off when reviewing your PDF later. And there you have it. Two seamless ways to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat Pro, whether you prefer a more pen and paper approach or want to make quick edits on the fly. Don't worry if you need to experiment with color choices or highlighting styles at first. You'll get the hang of it quickly, and your PDFs will look so much more organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Acrobat tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, useful guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy highlighting!